Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. I am here to once again tell you about the affiliate program of AliExpress. And in this video, I am going to show you how the dashboard of AliExpress affiliate program looks. Please pay attention and make sure you finish this video to the end. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as I'll keep giving you this great knowledge. Now, this is the dashboard of the affiliate link for everybody who is an affiliate. It's called Affiliate Portals Mobile Version Guide. Okay, this is the affiliate dashboard for everybody who is promoting AliExpress products. Okay, if you go in, you will see my other video that I had uploaded, the video that shows you how to register as an affiliate program partner. Okay, this is how it looks. Exactly, this is how it looks. But I'm going to show you how do we generate the link. When we have to generate the link, we come here and click here, link generator. So this generator is for the affiliate link, remember. So when we click on the link generator, you get to this other window. Now, how do we get the link in this place? We go to, let's say, we click up here. Okay, we go to AliExpress. Kindly be patient and pay attention. Okay, this is the AliExpress. So I'm going to show you how we pick the affiliate link of the all products that we want to promote. Okay, when we come here, this is the AliExpress dashboard that has all the products. I would say I would want to promote ashwagandha. Guys, I hope you're paying attention and remove it. This is the product that I want to promote. Okay, this is the product, depends on which country you're from. This is the product that you'd want to promote. Okay, so when we get to this product here, you click here, you do Control All and Control Copy. When you Control Copy, this is the link of this product. When you Control Copy, I'll come in here and I will drop my link in this box. This is the whole product link. So what I do here, I'll say generate or get the tracking link. I hope you're paying attention. This is how I generate the link. So this is my link that has been generated. So all this link, whoever will buy this product, whoever they will find this link, they will definitely be able to have this link and it's connected to my dashboard. So whoever will buy this product, I'll be able to get my commission. Okay, let's go back to another product. Let's say maybe we promote this. Maybe we are promoting this skin, supple skin from toes to heels. Maybe I want to promote this product as well. The same product, I'll go up here, Control All, Control Copy, Control Mute, CTL, C, that's copy. Then I come back here. I'll definitely Control All, I remove this, and I'll Control V. I'll drop a new link, and I will also get a new link. Once you see this tracking link has been generated successfully, you come in here and then copy this link off and then go and spread it, or go and spread the news wherever you post this link, whether on Facebook, on your YouTube, on Pinterest, everywhere. This link, whoever will have this link, because it is created under your dashboard here, it will have all your details as an affiliate partner of AliExpress products. So whenever you want to share these links with your friends as well, you'll be good to go, and it will be very easy, simple, with no any other challenges. So thank you so much, guys. It's a pleasure. If you want to also check on how to register as an affiliate partner, go to my other video. My other video, I also uploaded it, that shows you on how best to register as a partner on AliExpress product. So thank you so much, guys. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and be free to contact me in the comments in case you want me to help you in another way or in the same way of AliExpress. Thank you so much. All the best.